US.
Hello, Ma'am Susan Manalo! Happy retirement! We wish you all the best! From Love, English Department!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Susan! Thank you for your service! Kay Tuta!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Susan! God bless you!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Jason Jesus Electra Hardon Crew. Welcome you aboard the British Airways flight on 719 New York. Oh, happy birthday! Oh, no. Happy retirement to our flight attendant, Ma'am Susan Manalo. I hope you soar higher when you retire. God bless and more happiness. Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Susan. I am the auditor from Kids Society.
And I'm the PIO1 of Kids Society.
So I just want to say thank you for your years of service, your sacrifice, and the difference you have made in our school community.
Your dedication and inspiration will always remain in our hearts.
Bye.
Bingo.
Hi, Ma'am Susan. I'm Hilary Jane Cito Sara, the Secretary of Kids.
I'm Shakira. I'm the treasurer of the Kids Society. Ma'am, your dedication, kindness, and unwavering commitment have inspired countless students and teachers throughout the years of your teaching here in Rizal High School.
You have not only shared knowledge but also touched so many lives with your passion and genuine care and being patient. Thank you, Ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Susan. I am Gilito Chan Marchi, the Vice President of Kids Society.
And I'm Mandaris Marinan, the grade 12 representative for Kids Society.
Ma'am Susan, as you begin this new chapter of your life, we hope you carry with your love and respect and appreciation to everyone who leaves you have made brighter.
Your legacy will always remain in our hearts, and your impact will never be forgotten.
Bye, Ma'am.
Good day, Ma'am Susan. I'm Julia, the PO1 of Kids Society. I'm Sana, the PO2 of Kids Society. Thank you for your hard work, Ma'am Susan. May this journey bring you happiness, good health, peace, and many beautiful memories. Once a mentor, always an inspiration. More travel to go. Bye, Ma'am!
Hi, Ma'am Susan. I am Gilito Chan Marchi, the Vice President of Kids Society.
And I'm Mandaris Marinan, the grade 12 representative for Kids Society.
Ma'am Susan, as you begin this new chapter of your life, we hope you carry with your love and respect and appreciation to everyone who leaves you have made brighter.
Your legacy will always remain in our hearts, and your impact will never be forgotten.
Bye, Ma'am.
Hello, Ma'am Susan.
I'm Sharon Hilario, the PIO2 of Kids Society.
And I am Joseph Clark B. Rivera, the President of Kids Society. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng ginawa niyo po and tinulong niyo po sa TVL and sa HITS po last year and this school year po. And as personally sa student po, sobrang thankful po kami na ikaw po ay isang naging taga-evaluate po sa amin ng isa po sa laboratories po namin. And make sure po namin na lahat po ng turo niyo po is apply po namin sa kung ano pong magagampanan po namin sa buhay in the future po.
We're really grateful po for your time and effort you put in us, helping us grow. Thank you, Ma'am Susan.
Bye-bye po.
Hi, Ma'am Susan! It's me, your friendly student officer. First of all, congratulations sa iyong well-deserved retirement. After all those years, ay oras na para mag-enjoy at mag-relax ka. Wala nang deadlines at stress kasi ang kapalit niyan ay more time sa iyong family, travel at syempre sa sarili mo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng inspirasyon at memories na iniwan mo sa amin. Siguradong hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Enjoy this new exciting chapter of your life. And deserve mo ang lahat ng happiness at good health. Congratulations and happy retirement. Have more fun and unforgettable adventures. Bye and we love you.
Congratulations on your retirement, ma'am. Wishing you all the best and also po thank you for all the knowledge, patience na tinuro niyo sa amin when I was in senior high school. Lahat po ng mga bagay na tinuro niyo is nagamit namin ngayong third year college po. Wishing you all the best po sa magiging journey niyo ngayon na magre-retire na po kayo. Thank you so much po. Wishing you all the best.
Hi Ma'am Susan, this is JM, your former student, and I just want to congratulate you on your well-deserved retirement and also to thank you for the decades of service. You were not just a mentor to all of us, but you were also a mother. I want to thank you also for your generosity and for constantly pushing us to become better version of ourselves. Ma'am Su, maraming salamat sa lahat ng aral. You were my very first mentor in this career that I'm pursuing today. Sa'yo ko unang natutong mag-handle ng pressure, mag-isip at kumilos ng mabilis at higit sa lahat ay yung ibigay yung higit pa sa inaasahan. Ayan, I think we can all agree naman kapag sinabing si Ma'am Susan ang mentor mo. Hindi pwede yung pwede na. Dapat laging may wow, laging special, laging magarbo. Hindi pwede yung putyo-putyo, dapat sosyal. Alam natin yan, di ba? I hope to see you again soon, ma'am. And until then, please take care. Enjoy every moment of this new journey and know that you will always have a special place in our hearts. We love you so much, ma'am, and congratulations again. And may God bless you always.
Hello po everyone and mabuhay! Congratulations po Ma'am Susan for your retirement and thank you po for your patience, guidance, and for sharing all your knowledge po, especially when it comes to cookery. And your dedications and passion po for teaching have been truly made a difference in our lives, especially many of your students. We are grateful to have been one of your students and we are wishing you good health and happiness, filled with peace and wonderful memories.
Hello, Ma'am Su. Mamimiss ka namin and ingat ka palagi. And pag may time dalaw-dalaw ka dito, I love you. Hi, Ma'am Susan. Happy birthday. Thank you for all the help. And take good care of yourself. Enjoy your retirement. Enjoy USA and London. See you there.
Hi, Ma'am Susan. Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagbibigay ng serbisyo niyo sa amin. Ikaw po yung isa sa mga naging guro ko noon at naging advisor ko nung grade 7 ako. So marami po akong natutuhan mula sa iyo at masaya ako na naging katrabaho po kita. At sana po sa iyong retirement ay maging mabunga po ang iyong mga susunod pang paglalakbay. At mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma'am Susan. Mamimiss ka namin, Ma'am Susan. At good luck at God bless po sa mga susunod pang gagawin ninyo sa mga susunod na buwan o mga taon. At sana po lalo pang humaba ang buhay mo. Kaya naman, Ma'am, happy retirement day sa iyo at mag-enjoy ka sa iyong susunod na paglalakbay.
Hello, Ma'am Susan. Happy retirement. Wishing you all the best. At alam mo yan, mamimiss ka ng Rizal High School family. At syempre, maraming salamat sa serbisyong binigay mo sa Rizal High School, sa ating mga minamahal na students, as well as sa ating mga kapwa-guro na kung saan sabi nga ang tatak Ma'am Susan ay kahit kailan hindi makakalimutan. Bagamat nakakalungkot na iiwanan mo kami, syempre, sabi mo sa akin, ikaw nagsabi na nandiyan ka lang para sa amin at sa Rizal High School. So, siguro, enjoy your retirement. Sabi nga, goodbye. Ano ba tawag doon? Goodbye sakit ng ulo at hello pension. So maging masaya ka palagi at syempre ingatan mo sarili mo. At hangad pa rin natin na sabi nga siguro sa trabaho ka lang magre-retire sa sinumpaang tungkulin as a public servant. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kung ano yung usual na ginagawa mo na kung saan unconditionally ay talagang sabi nga ginagawa mo ng buong puso. No, thank you so much at saludo sa iyo, Sir Santos, ma'am. We love you, ma'am, at mag-iingat ka pala.